Hi, Joy. Joy. Hi, Joy. Okay, just speak up once you're ready, Joy, so we can start, okay? Please unmute yourself once you're ready, Joy. I can't hear you, Joy. Joy, are you there, Joy? Hi, Joy. Good evening, Joy. Oh no, I know you are sleepy now. Sorry, Joy. Don't worry, it will be quick, okay? So let us start learning now, Joy. But are you okay today, Joy? Are you happy today? Yes? Okay. Make yourself comfortable, Joy. Let me share my screen now. And yes, we will have this one, Joy. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to fill
Live.
in.
Oh, she's, she, she did cousin.
Yeah, she is Dia's cousin.
Where does the saver work? The saver work at the restaurant.
Okay, very good. Whose
Who,
plate is
whose
that?
plate that? It's mine.
Okay, yes, very good. It's mine. Well done, Joy. You answered this one so easily. Okay, let us start. Let us now proceed to this
What
one,
the
Joy.
matter with her? She has a headache.
Good.
Works at the motto. I don't
Oh,
know.
you can't remember it now. Who works at the department store, Joy? The salesperson?
The person works at the department store. Does the player fly pants? Yes, he is.
No, not he is. Yes, she does.
Yes,
Okay.
he does. Who does the vet do? The vet helps six animals.
Very good. That's correct. Joy, thank you so much. Always remember who works at the department store. It's the salesperson. Okay. Now, next one, let us proceed to this. We have
Look at the
here,
excuse me.
excuse me.
Excuse me. I
Is it,
don't know.
what is the missing response? Is it like this? Or how much is this coat?
Excuse me. How how much is this coat?
It's $45. How do you play the guitar?
Like this.
Very good. Joy, now can you tell me, does your father make things?
Yes, he is.
He does, Joy, because our question word starts with does, and your father right here, we will use he. Does he make things? Yes, he does. Okay, yes,
Where is the
he.
baby?
Oh, I don't have a baby, Joy. I don't have a baby. I only have a nephew and a niece. I don't have a baby.
Tôi chỉ có một cháu trai và một cháu gái. Tôi không có con nhỏ.
Okay. Now, Joy, let us proceed to the next one. Okay, we have here skills bonus. I want you to read Interview with the Vet by Ellen
What
Kay.
do you do weekly? I often I work at an animal hospital. Is that toxic? Yes, it is. What's the matter with it? It has a fever. I can't help it.
Very good, Joy. Now, who is Vicky, Joy? Who is Vicky?
I don't know.
Vicky is what's her job? She is a
She a vet.
okay, yeah, she is a vet, Joy. Now, what does she do? What does she do, Joy? She helps.
She helps six animals.
Very good. What's the matter with the cat right here?
The cat is sick.
Yes, it is. It has a fever, Joy. Can the vet help it?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, she can. Okay. Yes,
Yes.
he can. Very good. Now let us proceed to this one, Joy. Listen and number it.
Page 42. C. Listen and number. 1,
This cup is mine.
2,
Who are they? They're his parents.
3,
Does the bus driver drive buses? Yes, she does.
Very good, Joy.
4,
What's the matter with her? She has a headache.
5,
This flag is ours.
6,
He sells things. He's a salesperson.
Yes, very good, Joy. Easy, right? Easy. Okay. Now, can you tell me, Joy, when did you help an animal? Have you tried helping an animal?
I don't have it. I don't have an animal.
Oh, you don't have. Do you like animals?
I like dog.
You like dogs. But why don't you have a dog? Why don't you have a dog, Joy?
I don't have a dog.
You don't have a dog. Okay, Joy. Maybe when you are older, you can have one. Okay. Now, can you
My friend.
tell me? Can you tell me, Joy, what colors are on your country's flag?
Oh, red and Vietnam.
Yes, red and
Red and yellow.
okay, yes, red and yellow. Where can you see your flag, Joy? Where can you see your flag?
I don't know.
Of course, you can see it at school, right? Do you have it at
No.
school? No, you don't have a flag at school? Oh, really? What about in your house? Do you have a flag in your house?
No.
No, too. Where can I see the flag of Vietnam then, Joy? Where can I see it? Where can we see your flag, Joy? If I want to see your flag, where can I see it? I can see it.
I don't see it.
Oh, you don't know? But usually, Joy, schools have its country's flag, of course, because before starting the class, like for example, here in the Philippines, we have a flag ceremony, Joy. Okay. Now, can you tell me what shapes does your flag have? What shapes does it have, Joy? It has
Yes,
shapes, Joy. What shapes does it have? A circle?
no.
What shapes does it have?
Yeah, it is a circle, big circle, big circle,
Oh,
big.
does Vietnam's flag have a circle?
No.
No. What shapes does it have? What shapes does it have?
It's that. It has this one.
It has that one? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
Wow.
Can you try to
It
draw your
has
flag? Can you try to draw your flag?
boom.
It's 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 like this, right? It's like this,
You see that?
and then
Yeah.
a stamp
Made of pin.
like this, right?
Dang it, talking.
See? Look at this one, Joy.
Look.
This is your flag. So what shapes does it have, Joy? It has a rectangle. It has a
No.
rectangle shape and then a star. Okay, a rectangle and a star, Joy. That
Okay.
those are the shapes that your flag have. Okay, now Joy, what are you making, Joy? Are you making your flag?
I don't know making a flag.
You don't know how to make your flag?
Yes.
Okay, that is fine, Joy. But it's just like this, Joy. We'll have Look at this one. You have a rectangle, and we will put the star in the middle. Okay, that is your flag, Joy. Okay, now let us have this one, Joy, this one. Can you tell me, Joy, who are they? They are Anna's. What are you writing, Joy? What is that, Joy? 1, 2? What do you mean 1, 2, Joy?
He had a fever. There and his parents.
Okay, yes, that's correct.
The librarian works at the library.
Mm-hmm.
This flag equals.
What about this flag?
We're from Japan.
No, it's not Japan, Joy. It's not Japan.
I don't know.
It is Mexico. Mexico. Okay, Mexico. Okay, now what about in here, Joy? The blank word
Blank.
at the supermarket.
The I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Can you try to think? Can you try to remember? What do you think is his job, Joy? What do you think is his job? He is a
He is a
ca-
cashier.
Yes, he is, Joy. He is a cashier. Correct. Now, Joy, let us proceed to another one. Let us have this one,
Hi,
Mia's
I'm Mia. This are my
cousins.
cousins. Their names are Tony and Ava. This is my grandfather. He's a pilot. He fly planes.
Okay, very good, Joy. Now,
I don't know.
we'll just see. Okay, let us
Tony and Ava
try.
mean
Let us
parents.
try.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
No,
now
no. Yes.
Tony is Mia's cousin.
Yes.
Their grandfather is their grandfather fights fires.
No.
Their grandfather flies planes.
No.
You sure?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, it's a yes, Joy. And in here, as you can see, Tony and Olivia are not Mia's parents, they are
Yes.
her cousins. Okay, yes. And Grandpa doesn't fight fires because he is a pilot. What does the pilot do, Joy?
The parrot.
They, what do
The
pilots
parrot.
do?
The parrot fly planes.
Yes, exactly. That is correct, Joy. Thank you. Next one, next one. What about you? Can you tell me?
Cousin, do you have? I have zero
Oh, you have
cousins.
no cousins?
I don't have no cousins. What?
Okay, okay. How many
I
aunts do
mean,
you have?
I have no.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Okay. So how many uncles do you have?
I have zero.
Oh, are you sure? Do you know cousin, Joy? Do you know cousin?
Cousin, I have a sister and mommy and daddy and mom.
And grandma and grandpa.
No,
You have grandma, Joy. You have grandma.
Grandma go.
No?
No.
Are you sure you don't have cousins, aunts, and uncles?
Yes.
Bạn có chắc là mình không có anh chị em họ, cô dì chú bác không?
Are you sure, Joy?
I have daddy,
You only have a daddy, mommy, and
mommy, and sister, and me.
oh, and you. Is it a big sister or a little sister?
Big sister.
A big sister. Okay, thank you, Joy. Next one now. Oh,
Short, all young, strong, weak. Girl, boy, woman, man.
okay. Now among these, Joy, are you old, Joy, or young?
Young,
Are you a girl or a boy?
boy,
Are you tall or short?
short,
Are you strong or weak?
weak.
You are weak. Okay, Joy. That's fine. You are still young, Joy. So we will be talking about adjectives. Now listen and number.
Page 44. B. Listen and number. 1,
Look at number 22. She's tall. I like her blue bike. It's big.
Mm-hmm.
2,
Yeah.
It's this one. See, I'll let you listen to it again, Joy.
Page 44. B. Listen
Yeah.
and number. 1,
Look at number 22. She's tall. I like her blue bike. It's big.
Okay.
2,
Oh, she's my mom's friend. Where? Number 68. Her name is Olivia. She's short. Her bike is small
Okay.
and new.
Yes, that's right, Joy.
3,
Aw! Look at Karen. She's young. She's 3. She's sitting behind her grandfather. Oh, I see them. He's number 51. His name is John.
Very
He's
good.
old.
4,
Number 39 is strong. I know. He's not hot or tired. He's happy.
5,
Yes.
Jason
last two.
isn't happy. Is he thirsty? Who's Jason? Number 92. No, he isn't thirsty. He's weak. He's tired too.
6,
Hey, where's your bike? It's at home. Let's ride our bikes too.
Okay.
Okay. But why is it 0, Joy? It should be 6. 6 like this. Okay. Thank you, Joy. And you're able to answer that one all correctly. So now let us have this one, Joy. Okay, and here you have to formulate.
This boy is taller.
Yes, comparative sentences, Joy. Now what about for 2?
Boy is taller. This
The
This
girl
girl
is short.
tall.
The boy
Short.
is short.
This grandmother is tall. This grandfather is short.
No, Joy, not like that, Joy. In here, the girl is tall. The boy is taller. The boy is short. The girl is shorter. Now, what about in here? Grandma
Is taller.
old.
Grandfather
Is
is
old.
old. The father
Grandpa
old,
is
is
older.
older.
The boy,
Boy, the boy is short,
no, the boy is young.
young. The baby, the
The
baby,
girl, yes,
the
the
girl,
baby is.
the baby is younger.
Mhm. Now, what about for this one?
The boy is weak.
Not
The
weak, Joy. The boy is
boy
strong. Strong.
strong. The the girl is stronger.
The boy is
The boy is weak. The girl is weaker.
very good, Joy. Okay, so we'll just have a quick review of this one again tomorrow. Okay, so you can. Yay! Oh my gosh. Goodbye, Joy. Good night.